Want to see how I made this? Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here because I've not been here in a while, but it's all good. I'm going to be bringing you guys new content on how to make different hairstyles and how to make like bonnets and all those. If you're new here, thank you for watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share, and also leave a comment because I want to interact with you guys. I want to know you guys. Okay, with that being said, let's get right into the video. So here I'm just showing you how to part the hair. The gel I'm using is the black and red hair gel in Shine Strong, and I'm just showing you how to part it because see, listen, I just got my ring light and tripod and I don't know how to set it up for you guys to see, but I'll figure it out, and in my next video it will be so much better. But yeah, basically that's what I'm doing, so keep watching. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. I ended up having to take this down because I didn't take it forward enough, but I got it at the end. So yeah, this is how far we are. So I'm just going to, I finally figured out how to show you guys what I'm doing, so I'm just going to try and show you how I'm doing these stitch braids. So keep watching. With doing this style, you want to make sure that you use enough gel. If not, it's not going to be very neat and precise how you want it. So make sure you be generous with your gel. Use enough gel. Okay.
All my people OG.
This is how the style turned out. I really like how it came out. Very neat, very clean. Leave in the comment section if you want to see a tutorial on how to do stitch braids. And if you're making this style for someone, you have to be very patient because this style is a process. It really is.
Super dope. I love my hair. Grace, thank you. I really love you.
Thank you.